Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to make a dodging game using Scratch. So, first I make the main character. I make him to just be a Scratch head. I know it's quite stupid, but it's a character. Next, I will give this character controls. When flag clicked, forever. Where is it? If then key W pressed, move 10 steps, turn left, key A pressed, minus, key D pressed degrees, and now I'll multiply it by 10 to intensify it. I'll make him to move much slower. There we go. Another essential feature is to make him allow him to move back, just like how you see in those car games. I can also move. You can move front, and you can display -5. He can move back, and he can move front. Next, I'll make the thrower sing the thing that will throw stuff at you. It's going to be a giant circle. Paint. And then I'll make the throwing thing. The stick that will throw at you. Of course, I'll make the stick orange since all sticks are orange. And finally, I'll go to make the throwing animation. I will copy and then I'll paste this, and then I'll align it vertically, send it to the back, and increase its brightness to look like it's blending in with the background. I'll copy and I'll paste it over here. This time I'll set this one's color to it, and I'll make this one to be bright instead. And now, when flag clicked, forever, every second, create a clone of yourself. When I start as a clone, point towards the player, which is the very long scratch cat. Repeat until touching the edge. Now, before I touch the edge, move 10 steps. And move 10 steps. Else, delete this clone. Change my variable by 1. My variable is going to be the score variable, since I'm too lazy to make a real score variable. Yikes. Yikes. Of course, I'm going to use next costume so that it will actually be, moving. Yikes. I'll make it slower, like move 4 steps. Now finally, if I will hide this, I don't want it to clone, I will show it, and I'll make it go to the backmost layer. I'll enable the my variable. Next, I'll make the lose condition. If one of this, if it touches the player, it will stop everything. It's quite lazy, but I don't have time to implement a proper lose condition. Oh man, no, I don't have time to implement a proper lose condition. Ah. No. Anyways, this is too easy. I would slightly increase the speed. I will increase the speed. Hey, why isn't it working? I forgot. Go to the center. Also make this to go to the center. This will be its only one flag clicked. Go to the center. Oops. It's gotten just 10 times harder to dodge. Ah. No. Finally, I need to choose a good background for it. I'll just make it be this. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye. No, not